The NUARL N6 Pro 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at the NUARL N6 Pro 2 earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 10 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, AAC, SBC aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. 6mm drivers, ambient and a game mode, app integration, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is compact with a grippy rubber feel to it all around. On the top, you have the branding. On the front of the case, you have the status LED lights. On the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. Ear indicators are etched in inside. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a wider design and a bit on the larger side. The inside face has the ear markings. The outside face has the branding along with the grippy rubber finish just like the case. And on the top you have the 3 button controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, ear wing, button controls, microphones, and LED. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few clicks or a long press to navigate playback, calls, and ambient mode. This has app integration. Once paired, you can toggle the ambient, game modes, adjust volume, EQ, and button settings, and also update the firmware. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.5 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 47 grams, and the earbuds come in at 15 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the NUARL N6 Pro 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They felt secure and it created a snug, tight fit. There's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The button placement on the top will not add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is decent. I'm not a fan of the finish of the case. I prefer more of a solid or matte type finish. Earbuds are a bit larger and will protrude out a bit. Button controls have nice feedback, but I found them to be too close together or too many buttons, so if you have bigger fingers, it may be a bit hard to navigate. Battery life is great at 10 hours and 40 total with the case. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to see wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The ambient feature worked well and the microphone picked up the surrounding sounds loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and tight. It doesn't sound overblown, just enough and not lacking at all. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I feel the sounds are balanced and very crisp sounding. Overall, the earbuds sounded good. In comparison to the N10 that I just reviewed, the bass on these would be a notch down or so. So if you don't like the heavy bass but more of a balanced crisp sound, then this is the way to go in my opinion. So that is my review of the NUARL N6 Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.